So the customer called in, said his compressor is possibly going out, stripping breakers. I've opened up the panel and seen a bunch of oil all over the place. Found that the top of the reversing valve leaked out all the oil. That's what's causing it to trip the breaker. I'm going to test the compressor to see if the windings are still good. And put a little bit of nitrogen in there to verify the leak is coming from there. And gauge up to make sure the system has pressure. It probably doesn't. Alright, so I'm going to pressurize the unit to make sure the leak is coming from the top of the reversing valve. Yep, there we have it. It's coming from there. Alright, we also checked the compressor to make sure it was good. Got 4.4. Nothing. So that tells us there that our compressor is bad as well. We only had 4.4 from, I believe it was Common to Herm, and it's fluctuating from there. So we got a bad reversing valve and a bad compressor. Leaked all of its charge all over. Breaker was flipping off. Wouldn't turn back on. Replaced the breaker, still nothing. And lost all of its charge of R22. So probably be better off getting a whole new unit instead of replacing the reversing valve and the compressor and recharging the unit.